Hey tool lovers, welcome back to DIY Tools and Equipment, your go-to spot for woodworking mastery and expert tool reviews. Today, we're diving into 20 unbelievable woodworking techniques you haven't tried yet that will completely transform your carpentry projects. If you're searching for advanced woodworking tips and tricks, genius joinery methods, or innovative woodworking hacks that professional woodworkers swear by, you're in the right place. We're breaking down time-saving techniques, pro-level secrets, and mind-blowing methods using everything from your table saw to hand tools. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss our woodworking project tutorials, professional tips, and hands-on demonstrations. Let's jump in and discover the woodworking techniques that will take your craftsmanship to the next level. Accurate and efficient angle cuts are essential for precision woodworking and track saw applications. The Goingmake angle. Track saw square features -60 degrees to 60 degrees quick positive angle stops and an 11 precision positive angle setup, allowing fast and precise multi-angle cutting. Its CNC machined guide rail square ensures a true 90-degree right angle setup, transforming your track saw into a miter saw. The adjustable angle guide is simple to use, saving time with no need to scribe cutting lines, and it can be installed at the front or back of the track. It's lightweight, durable aluminum, and includes a parallel edge support for stability and precision. Precision and speed are crucial for efficient woodworking and construction projects. The EZARC Jigsaw blade is a 7-inch extra-long blade set with 6 TPI curved and scrolling teeth designed for fast wood cutting. Its T-shank design fits all combo and most U-shank cordless and corded jigsaws. With a 180mm blade length and 155mm cutting length, it excels in cutting hardwood, softwood, and large wood pieces quickly and efficiently. The blades deliver smooth curves and precise cuts, improving work efficiency while saving time and labor. Ideal for construction, renovation, demolition, and outdoor wooden structures, these blades also handle softer composite materials and plastics, making them versatile for multi-scenario applications. Creating strong and precise wood joints quickly is essential for any woodworking project. The POWERTEC Pocket Hole Jig Kit is a complete woodworking jig system featuring an adjustable depth drill guide, a 3/8-inch drill bit, a stop collar, a dust collector adapter, and an R2 driver bit. The jig allows you to measure your workpiece, set the drill depth, and securely clamp for accurate pocket hole drilling. Its dust collection port keeps the workspace clean while drilling multiple holes. The kit's adjustable design ensures clean, precise holes every time, making it ideal for twin pocket holes and wood joint assembly. Perfect for furniture building, cabinetry, and general woodworking, it simplifies fast, strong, and professional wood joinery. When tackling tough demolition or remodeling tasks, precision and power are essential. The BOSCH Reciprocating Saw delivers powerful performance with a 1 1/4 inch stroke length and up to 3,000 SPM, ideal for cutting wood, metal, and other materials quickly. Its biturbo brushless technology optimizes efficiency and is compatible with core 18-volt batteries for maximum output. The saw features kickback control, 6 speed settings, and versatile cutting modes, orbital for softer materials and inline for high-powered cuts, allowing precise control. Tool-free blade changes ensure fast swaps on the job, while the ergonomic design and safety features make it reliable and user-friendly. Perfect for construction, renovation, and general demolition work. When precision cutting and heavy-duty resawing are required, a reliable and durable bandsaw is essential. The Powermatic woodworking bandsaw features an Armor Glide 18-inch design with a 5 horsepower, 460 volts, 3-phase motor, delivering consistent power for demanding woodworking tasks. Its low-friction, industrial-grade coated work surface resists rust, reduces maintenance, and improves control. The micro-adjustable, virtually toolless bearing guide system ensures precise blade control, while the AccuFence allows full adjustability for squaring and alignment. The robust miter gauge with multiple positive stops provides accurate angle cuts, and the oversized side plate can be positioned horizontally or vertically. Solid cast iron wheels and a special grooved thrust bearing stabilize smaller blades, making it perfect for precise, heavy-duty cuts and resawing. For anyone tackling woodworking projects, a durable and precise saw blade is indispensable. The Amazing Wood Circular Saw Blade is a 7 1/4 inch TCT blade with a 5/8 inch arbor, designed for ATB precision woodworking on plywood, softwood, hardwood, and wood with nails. Its tungsten carbide teeth offer wear and heat resistance, ensuring fast, efficient chip removal while reducing tool strain. The thin 1.8 mm kerf and max 8,400 RPM provides smooth, accurate cuts with minimal splintering. Compatible with miter saws, table saws, and most 7 1/4 inch chainsaws, it includes 4 heat-dissipating slots to reduce noise and prolong blade life. Ideal for cross-cutting, ripping, construction, furniture building, and DIY renovations, it delivers clean, professional results. For woodworking projects requiring precise, repeatable cuts, accurate router adjustments are essential. The Kreg router lift is a router table lift system designed for quick, accurate, and reliable setups. Its durable, hard-anodized aluminum router plate insert resists sagging and scratches, ensuring long-lasting performance. The micro-adjust bit height with precision indexing ring allows changes as fine as 1/64 of an inch, while anti-backlash compensation guarantees precise depth adjustments. Compatible with all Kreg router tables and over 20 competitive router brands, it fits a wide range of routers. Engineered for perfect precision, the lift makes table-mounted router setups faster, easier, and more accurate, ideal for furniture building, joinery, and detailed woodworking tasks. For achieving smooth, professional edge finishes on woodworking projects, precision router bits are essential. The Ultra-Shear micro-bearing roundover bits feature a 1/2 inch radius, 1/2 inch shank, 2-flute design, and carbide tip, engineered for precision edge rounding and optional bead profiles. The extra-thick, micro-grain carbide tip with a shear cutting angle and ultra-fine grinding ensures clean, smooth cuts. An oversized 5/8 inch bearing provides longer life and minimizes telegraphing of minor workpiece imperfections, while the optional 1/2 inch beaded bearing allows decorative edge profiles. Made in the USA in Strongsville, Ohio, these bits are built for durability, accuracy, and consistent performance, ideal for cabinetry, furniture building, and fine woodworking applications. For efficient and eco-friendly woodcutting, cordless chainsaws are essential. The Makita LXT Chainsaw is a 14 inch brushless cordless chainsaw designed for high performance with low noise levels. Its Makita-built brushless motor delivers powerful torque, allowing it to tackle demanding applications with ease. The compact body and rear handle design ensure easy maneuverability, while the rubberized soft grip top handle provides comfortable, even cutting pressure. Convenience features include a large oil-filling port with a viewing window and toolless chain adjustment for quick maintenance. With no gas, emissions, oil mixing, or pull starts, this chainsaw is ideal for homeowners and professionals seeking clean, efficient, and portable cutting performance. For precise and versatile wood carving, a specialized milling attachment is essential. The Kaindl Multi-Carver cutter head is a manual carving and milling tool designed for woodworking applications. It features replaceable 10 mm carbide inserts that rotate to maintain sharpness and durability. The tool works in both horizontal and vertical directions, providing high cutting performance while remaining easy to control. It is compatible with drilling machines and angle grinders, allowing for flexible operation. Its low cutting resistance ensures smooth handling, whether guided freely by hand or along stencils. Ideal for craftsmen, the Kaindl Multi-Carver enables efficient, precise, and controlled carving and milling of wood for various creative or professional projects. For precise and efficient woodworking, a durable and reliable router cutter is indispensable. The UJK straight router cutter is crafted from EN8 steel for strength and resilience, ensuring long-lasting performance. Its high-grade micro-carbide ground tip allows for superior plunging performance, while the Xylon coating minimizes friction, prevents buildup, and enhances chip flow. Designed with an enhanced shank length, it offers extended reach for jig work and deep cuts. The stop insertion ring doubles as a rubber collet seal, preventing dust accumulation and improving cutting accuracy. Ideal for various woodworking applications, the UJK straight router cutter enables clean, precise, and efficient cutting of wood, cardboard, and other materials with ease. Accurate angle measurement and layout are essential for efficient carpentry and construction work. The MetioKulto Angle Finder tool is a multifunction, aluminum alloy framing square designed for versatility in woodworking and construction. It functions as a roof square, protractor, scribing guide, circle drawing tool, and tri-square, integrating multiple precision rulers for maximum efficiency. Its automated bird's mouth cut chart allows quick rafter length calculations, while hip and valley rafter guides simplify complex cuts. Crafted with aircraft-grade aluminum and rust-resistant stainless steel, it features laser-engraved markings for visibility and knurled screws for secure adjustments. Compact and portable with a belt buckle attachment, this tool ensures precise cuts and layouts on the go. Achieving precise countersinks and pilot holes is essential for professional quality woodworking. The EZARC countersink drill bit set is a 15-piece set with tapered drill bits, 2 wood plug cutters, and a 1/4-inch hex shank designed for efficiency and versatility. Crafted from nitride-treated HSS, these bits offer enhanced toughness, wear resistance, and twice times longer life of standard carbon steel. The set includes adjustable depth stop collars for precise pilot hole depth and an 82-degree counterbore angle for smooth, rapid drilling in hardwood and softwood. Compatible with hand, bench, and electric drills, it comes in a storage box for convenience. Ideal for cabinetry, furniture making, and general woodworking, this set ensures clean, professional finishes every time. Achieving smooth, precise surfaces on wood quickly is essential for professional woodworking and creative projects. The Kaindl WOOD-PLANE is a manual carving and milling tool designed for use with 115 to 125 mm angle grinders, crafted from CNC-made high-strength aluminum and equipped with replaceable carbide cutting elements. Engineered for professional work in crafts, carving, and creative applications, it enables quick and clean surface removal on soft and hard woods. Ideal for shaping, beveling, debarking, sapwood removal, and creative wood shaping. It also excels in playground and gala construction. Lightweight yet durable, this tool ensures precision, efficiency, and versatility, while allowing easy maintenance and accessory upgrades for extended use. Precision and repeatable measurements are essential for accurate woodworking and assembly projects. The Woodpeckers Indexable Square System is a feature-packed 300 mm XL double square designed for versatile woodworking applications. It includes a stainless steel 300 mm rule with sliding head support, an indexing system every 30 mm, and laser-cut scribing guides and engravings for durable, precise markings. The XL double square head, 1 inch wide, provides compact usability for assembly checks and miters, with a sliding tab for edge support to keep the square stable yet unobtrusive. Made in the USA, this tool allows users to check the square, inside, outside, right, or left, ensuring accuracy, efficiency, and long-lasting performance in any woodworking or layout project. Quick, secure, and repeatable clamping is essential for efficient woodworking and fixture setups. The POWERTEC cam clamp is a versatile lever clamp with 3-inch T-track bolts, designed for drill press, router table, workbench, CNC machine, and miter saw applications. The kit includes 4 cam levers, 4 3-inch T-bolts, 4 steel washers, and 4 rubber washers, providing everything needed for setup. Its universal 5/16 to 18 threaded insert and cam-activated lock deliver fast, reliable clamping and smooth release, ideal for repetitive work. Constructed from die-cast aluminum with a blue anodized finish, it ensures durability and wear resistance. Perfect for hold-down clamping projects, T-track fence optimization, bench operations, and general woodworking needs, this tool streamlines workflow and maximizes productivity. Precise and efficient hole cutting is essential for woodworking, home improvement, and DIY projects. The KATA hole saw set is a 20-piece kit featuring 3/4 inch to 6-inch saw blades, 2 mandrels, 3 drill bits, 1 installation plate, and 1 hex key. Designed for softwood, plywood, drywall, PVC, and similar materials. Made from heat-treated carbon steel with a black oil coating, the components are rust-proof, wear-resistant, and ultra-sharp for fast, clean cutting. Its upgraded serration design allows multiple hole sizes to be cut easily in desks, doors, and furniture. The kit comes in a custom heavy-duty case with designated slots for organization and portability, improving workflow and efficiency. Ideal for standard and impact drills. Securing frames in large woodworking projects evenly requires a reliable clamping system. The Pony Canvas Band clamp is a heavy-duty, 20-foot clamp crafted from high-grade ductile cast iron with an orange baked enamel finish for durability. It features dual self-locking mechanisms, allowing the band to be tightened from both sides, and a screw and crank handle for precise final adjustments. With a 2-inch wide canvas band, this clamp is ideal for holding frames, glued joints, or regularly shaped workpieces firmly in place. Its easy setup and robust construction make even large projects manageable, ensuring even pressure across the entire frame for superior results in woodworking and furniture assembly. Achieving secure and precise holds in woodworking projects demands a versatile and strong clamping solution. The IRWIN Quick Grip Clamps are 12-inch clamps designed for both convenience and power. They deliver 300 pounds of force with the trigger handle and 825 pounds with the reinforced handle. Featuring metal jaws for durability, a 2 1/2 inches throat depth for hard-to-reach areas, and a rubber trigger for comfortable operation, these clamps also allow a rapid switch between clamp and spreader modes. With the clamp coupler, 2 hybrid clamps can be combined for additional length using hex bolt screw handles for extra torque. Ideal for woodworking, assembly, and repair tasks requiring secure, precise holds. Accurate and consistent hole placement is crucial for professional-looking cabinetry and hardware installation. The Ruitool hardware jig tool is an aluminum alloy cabinet handle install template designed for precision and ease. It features an adjustable punch locator drill guide, fitting 99% of popular handles and pulls with a standard 5mm hole size. Simple operation allows quick adjustments of handle to edge distances, reducing measurement errors. Made with durable, rust-proof aluminum and stainless steel drill sleeves, it ensures long-lasting use. Lightweight and portable, it's ideal for cabinet makers, woodworkers, and beginners. Perfect for installing kitchen cabinet doors, drawer fronts, closet knobs, and handles, this jig streamlines repetitive drilling with professional precision. That's a wrap on 20 unbelievable woodworking techniques that will change your carpentry game forever. Which woodworking tip or technique are you most excited to try in your own workshop? Have you used any of these advanced methods before, or did you discover something brand new today? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I love hearing about your projects and which techniques work best for you. If you found a game-changing woodworking hack, smash that like button and subscribe for more expert woodworking tutorials, professional tips, and time-saving tricks. Stay tuned for more hands-on tutorials and professional woodworking secrets coming soon.